In this demo, we're going to show you how you can bring in your Amazon organizations directly into Turbot Guardrails. Prior to this feature release, you always had the ability to add individual Amazon accounts, whether through the console or API or through Terraform. And now we have an option to add the organization directly if you want to bring in your entire org structure to maintain your organizational hierarchy within Turbot Guardrails. Prior, folks were bringing in their Amazon accounts in their own folder structures within Guardrails because they might have mixed those Amazon accounts differently than the OU structure within the organization, or they might mix a multi-cloud organization structure using Guardrails as an aggregate across multi-cloud. These options give the ability to bring in your org as is, and we give some additional features to add it in simply with new CloudFormation templates that you can associate to your Amazon organization account that would then set up the ability to then create all of the member account roles for Guardrails to have discovery and access into each one of your member accounts. There's new connect options that you can associate with some easy to run CloudFormation templates as well as stack sets in order to get those roles in. Of course, you can always create your own and bring those in as a way to connect into Guardrails. There's also features to exclude some of your OUs or specific accounts, and there's regex patterns to make that dynamic, because one of the other features here is not only the instant discovery of your accounts in your org, but also the ability to sync. So continuously Guardrails will maintain your org structure within Guardrails. So as new accounts get created, new accounts or changes to where accounts sit within the organization structure, Guardrails will stay up to date. I've already connected an Amazon org here. So here is my Amazon organization, and actually sits right next to an Azure tenant and a GCP organization. So you can still set up a multi-cloud org structure, or you can have multiple AWS organizations grouped together or siloed into their own Turbot folders. Here I've put them into this Wonka organization. It discovered the organization root. And then in this demo organization, I have 3 OUs, a sales, a sandbox, and a supply chain. All of that got instantly discovered when I added it. Within those, then I could keep browsing down that OU structure to those Amazon accounts. Within those Amazon accounts, then has all the resources discovered within those. Very typical to any other Guardrails discovery. All those resources are available for full text search. And so if I just were to look up a Wonka demo buckets, those all get searched quickly. I can then drill into the details of that particular resource. I can also see the controls that are overlaid, the policies, the audit trail, etc. All the same Guardrails that you already enjoy, but now just with an easier way to integrate your org structure directly into your environment. If you're interested in learning more, please reach out to us at turbot.com/start.